Here is my tip for beginners who want to make profit in the stock market. Learn the concept of momentum. Momentum is an extremely important concept which you should know everything about. You should know how to find momentum stocks. You should know how momentum starts. You should know how momentum stocks behave. You should know how momentum stocks pause and how you can create an anticipation setup around it. Momentum is the most fundamental tendency of stock market, where stocks with established momentum continue to move in the direction of the momentum for 3, 6, or 1 month or 1 year. So it's extremely important for you to understand this concept of momentum, because most of the traders you see around who are doing active trading, they're all using momentum. It's essentially they are slicing and dicing momentum, or their methods are based on momentum. So the sooner you understand momentum as a core concept and be really thorough in terms of understanding of momentum, how to scan for it, what to look for in a momentum, which stocks have more momentum, which stocks are best for trading momentum, then you will have a quicker learning curve and you will become quickly profitable. Momentum is the most important thing you should focus on and understand if you are a beginner trader.